Sorting search results. When we search for a particular information using a browser, it normally gives us a list of information as a search result. For example, I am writing here earthquakes to find out information on earthquakes. It will show me all the information related to earthquake. The search result can be sorted on the basis of different parameters such as time, country, type of information. By default, we get the information published in the country from where we search the information. Sorting result based on time. Click on Tools. When you click on Tools, click on any time to sort the result on the basis of time. When you have, by default, we have option anytime. It will show the search result, the information uploaded anytime on the web. If we restrict it to past hour, it will show the information uploaded during last hour, during the past hour, like 47 minutes ago or 35 minutes ago. If we select it past month, it will show all the results, the information uploaded during past month. The custom range for find out the information or the search result can also be set by clicking on custom range. The customized data range window is opened here on the screen. It will ask two options, from which date and to which date. So here the beginning date can be selected 1st January and the end date can also be selected 31st July and click on Go. When you click on Go button, it will display the information which is uploaded during this particular range. So in this way, a date range can be customized and the relevant information can be displayed. Also, the result can be sorted on the basis of type of information. For example, the search can be further listed as news, images, books, videos. For example, if you want to search for books that is based on earthquake, click on Books tab. It further shows the tools of sorting the result on the basis of any books or on the basis of preview available, on the basis of Google eBooks or the free Google eBooks available on web. Even the search can also be narrowed down by selecting out the document. It can only be a book. It can be only from related to 21st century, and accordingly you can see the resultant books given as a search result by applying